Please allow me to change from a hand cutter to a normal hand. You'll be able to play with your cat more easily. Huh? Cute. Cute. Ah, you're really cute. Oh, you're really cute. Oh, I can't resist. You're really cute. Just as planned.
Aww, this maid outfit is very, 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 very cute. Okay. Ugh, this outfit is tighter than what I normally wear. I shouldn't lose to Miss Sasha again. What are you guys doing? The sound was so loud that it seemed fun. Are there Oreos in here? Ah! How cute! Shut the fuck up! Miss Circle, have a good day at work. Please say something. This is so confusing. Come back here, my little princess. Mr. Denny, where are you going today?
I think I'll go pack up the music equipment for the next lesson. By the way, is it okay for you to tease Miss Bloomie?
Oh, it's okay. Just teasing a little.
That's probably it. Making her walk around in a maid uniform is a little teasing. Ugh, I feel bad for her.
Ah! Anyone, please help me. My love.
What was that?
I don't know either, but I heard cries from far away.
There are only people who have a throat so powerful that it could shout loudly across buildings.
Miss Bloomie. It seems part of the reason why this happened came from you.
I'm sorry for that.